Hey y'all, Lily here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to edit a TikTok video after posting it. So without further ado, let's get started right away. Well, in general, TikTok is quite restrictive in terms of what you can do after you've published your video. There is also a limit to how much stuff you can do. There is currently no way to edit a TikTok video after it has been posted. Allow me to explain to you. So let's pretend I'd like to edit this video. Like it is on Facebook, there really is no button for me to select to edit this video when I open it up. Let's assume I want to edit this video. What I could do is tap on the three-dot button, save the video, and then re-upload it after I've finished editing it. Now, sit tight for that video to download, and then it will be downloaded. I can then tap this plus button to go ahead and upload it over here, and go to my gallery and select the video that I just downloaded, then I can select and click that. And next. Now I can do whatever I like over here. For example, if I wanted to edit something or add music, I could basically do that. And then click next. Let's pretend I wanted to add a new caption to this video. I can simply type whatever I want. And then press the post button down here. As you can see, it's been updated with new music and has been uploaded here. Now, I can go to my profile over here, and from there, I can always go to the old video, and then tap on these three dots over here. I can delete the old video by scrolling over here and clicking here. The newly edited video has now been uploaded, and the old one has been removed. And that's the only method you can do it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe with notification turned on so you can be notified when our next video is released.